Hello, Ali. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. And in Screencast, we spoke earlier and we agreed I'd send you this screencast. So I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business outdoor escapes. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Ali, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found that giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio, and can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. But before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I'd like to go over is your content. So in order for your business or any business to be fully optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, use at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. I found your homepage has about 427 words currently. So in comparison to one of your competitors, I did a quick word search. They have about 804 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. So every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So as you can see, I'll pull up this tool, Ahrefs. I'll pull up yours first, and you can see where your site is dense with. So since it's a pretty new site, I didn't expect that many backlinks or anything, but we can definitely get these up here pretty soon. So since you see what you have, let's go to your competitor. Now they have about 917 backlinks, 251 referring domains, and 3,200 organic keywords. Now, everything's beatable in due time. So you can see that landscaping services, they're ranked number 2 for this keyword, which is bringing in a total of 1,035 people per month out of the 8,400 searching for landscaping services. Now, that's a lot of clients. So we can take Oak Mites, per se. He's getting 3,000 search volume for this keyword, and he's bringing in about 169 because he has a blog about oak mites in Kansas City. Now, the big takeaway I really want you to get a grasp of is what a keyword does for your content and how to use them. So later on, I'm going to tell you about something else that's going to help with these keywords. But for right now, the keyword contains a volume, KD, cost per click, traffic position. Now, cost per click deals with ads, and volume is the amount of traffic this is getting. Okay, how hard it is to rank landscaping services, and traffic, how much you're getting, what position you're in, depending on how much traffic you're getting out of the volume. So next, we're going to move on to the next optimization section, and this is the second most important thing I'd like to talk about because we call this the Google Map Pack or Maps. To do a search for Kansas City landscaping, we're going to go over to this Google Map Pack. We're going to see businesses, right? Every tab has a different business containing a business name, an address, and a phone number, aka maps. So you're probably asking, hey, how am I ranking maps? Well, ratings, of course. 5 stars are always the best. No, but local citations. So since you don't have any credible submittable citations, you do have about 11 citation sources, probably from directories you don't even know about yet. But to get these, all you have to do is put these citations, aka NAPs, submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. So lastly, certainly not the least, the third thing I'd like to cover with you is another important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. So going back over to Ahrefs, actually, no, let's go to organic listings. And we're going to scroll down until we see number 1. No. Number 1. GoHPLG.com. High Prairie Landscape Group. Now, they're the first. High-end Landscape is second. And Benjamin Lawn is the third. A service page or service business on this front page. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply put works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is giving Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there is more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So, for example, if you were to have a relative site, say Yelp, actually not really relative, Kansas City blogger local, linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. At least I don't think you do. Well, in this tool, Ahrefs, like I was about to pull up, I spend about $100 a month, and it's a great way to check out any link juice that sites may have to offer. So here you can see you have no backlinks, which is totally fine. You can get those up pretty easily. It just takes a little bit of time. But if we go to your competitor's backlinks, you see he has about 404 groups. So some of these contain more than just one. But looking down, you can see every single one is linking back to his site. And you can take every single one and make them your own. Yep, that easy. So doing that, or being said, you should use those keywords that we were talking about to rank these backlinks for you. So front page, first thing we talked about, at least 1,500 words throughout your home page, and at least fill the keywords actually, and at least on your about pages, service pages, any pages you want, at least 500 to 1,000 words is optimal. Secondly, we talked about citations. So you want at least 100 to 200 of these citations right here. And this will get you on the first page of your Google map, guaranteed. So that being said, you need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. And that contains backlinks. More relevant sites, guys. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. And I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, I want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, Ali, and you have a good one.